Do you want to learn pixel art to create your own assets? Or do you want to learn pixel art to add new skills into your pocket? If yes, then you are in the right place. Welcome to this pixel art in Adobe Photoshop for beginner course. I am Mashuk Sarkar Batista. I am a Microsoft certified game developer and have been working in this game development and graphics design industry for past 5 years and still now. Also, I am the creator of some of the world's most popular graphics design and video editing courses with over 100,000 plus students all over the world. And I am the instructor of this course. In this course, I will use my 4 years of experience to teach all you need to know to start making your own amazing pixel art with Photoshop. You will go from zero to full speed in no time with simple exercise. In this course, at first I have talked about the 3 important elements of pixel art. You will also learn how to draw isometric pixel art, draw pixel-based flowers, tree and burgers. Also, you will learn how to convert any image to high-quality pixel art with step-by-step guideline. I also show you how to animate any pixel art in Photoshop and much more. There is 30 days money-back guarantee in this course. And you will get a certificate of completion when you finish this one. So there is no risk to lose, everything is gain. So what are you waiting for? Take this course now and I will catch you guys inside.